In this video, we'll show you how to create a Trade Republic account step by step, and what you need to do to complete the registration correctly. The first thing we need to do is download the official Trade Republic app from the App Store on our device. We can also visit the official website to start the registration process. Once we're inside the app, we'll select the option to create a new account and enter our phone number. We'll then need to verify it using the code we receive. After that, Trade Republic will ask us for our personal information, such as our name, date of birth, address, and other details required to complete the registration. We'll also need to complete an identity verification process. To do this, the app may ask us to provide certain information and verify our identity using an ID document, and, depending on the process, a facial verification. Once our identity has been verified, we'll need to answer some questions about our personal and financial situation. These questions are part of the registration process and help Trade Republic meet legal requirements and determine which products and services may be available for our account. Next, we'll be able to review the information we've entered and accept the relevant terms and conditions. Before continuing, it's important to read them carefully and make sure that all of our information is correct. Once we've completed the entire process, Trade Republic will review our application. Once the account has been approved, we'll be able to sign in and access the different features available within the app. From there, we can view our account, check the available products, and configure the settings we need. And that's it. As you can see, creating a Trade Republic account is a fairly simple process, as long as we follow all the steps and provide the requested information correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.